What's up guys, welcome back to another Rochelle video. Today we're looking at a new development of Waterloo Road here in Kingston, Jamaica. This development, it has 1, 2 and 3 bedroom units, penthouse included. It has a gym, it has sky garden, terrace, it has open area, Infiniti pool, the whole works. Very nice. So as usual, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me, so keep watching. But before we even start the video guys, hit that like button, like, comment, leave your comment below what you think this is gonna look like, and then you can comment again what you think afterwards. Share with all your friends so that everybody can come and see the video and see what Jamaica has to offer, the different development. And definitely subscribe and hit the bell button that's right beside the subscribe button, so that every time I post a video it sends you a notification so you don't miss out, because you know I'm trying to post as often as possible and I see that you guys are loving that. So thank you so much. Follow me on my Instagram page at Rochelle. All my social media pages are the same name, at Rochelle. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go.
So there's two sizes on the one bedroom, 787 square feet and 772. 772 is on that side, this is the 787. So the price on the 1 to the 3rd floor are the same for the apartments. So this price, this one, bigger one, is 196,750, while that one over there is 193,000.
Okay, wait. So this is the smaller one.
This is the bigger.
This is the bigger.
The smaller one is on the side.
So wait, let me go again. So everything from the 1st to the 3rd floor are the same prices, and this is 196,750 US dollars.
Yes, and 193 across.
Got it. So
the kitchen, it being the 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or the penthouse are all the same. It comes with very deep drawers, bottles, pots, whatever it is a soft close. Right? It does come with a lazy Susan organizer for your spices or anything else. A built-in garbage receptacle.
oh, this is great.
Well, you've seen this.
The lights, I love the lights over here.
Cabinets, and you have more storage up here. Right? Comes with a ceramic cooktop and oven already built in, plus the range to take out all the smoke. There you go. So you have your area built for your fridge.
Oh, this is for the fridge. Oh,
Just for the fridge. So
I was wondering for a moment where the fridge.
Over here is where you put your washer dryer. It does come with a wash tub already built in, and inline water heater.
Got it.
Okay. So you have your full service kitchen. Then you have this common space, which, based on the design, allows for a lot of ways that it can be.
Yeah.
So you have 2 outlets on the walls. Your TV can be installed on this wall or this wall. Because it's a 1 bedroom, you don't necessarily need a traditional dining table. You can do a floating dining table, or
put 2 stools
or you can use there.
Got it.
Right. So you can do a sectional couch. If you install the TV there, you can put it there, put it in the coffee table. Everybody watch TV because talk to the person in the kitchen. Based on Corona, a lot of people realize they need a home office. So this area, you can set up a desk with a bookshelf, and then you get to enjoy the balcony views from here. Having over there completely separate. Right? All windows do have a retractable magnetic mesh, so if you're not a fan of mosquito results, have no fear, that is there.
You're rhyming.
That was not intentional. So all apartments come with balconies.
Okay, and you can see 20 south.
Comes through, and it's like this all the time. So as you can see, you are on the second floor. However, it's enough. Mind you, this unit is totally different. It does look straight into this house. But even on the first floor, you actually get to look into the lime tree, the neem tree, the mango tree.
Can you pick it?
Please be gentle with them.
Take
Somebody
time.
broke two today. I know. It's a wind and everything.
Take time, take time. Maybe
can you pick it? No. The walls are high. It's okay. So,
and then this is the one bedroom. This is the bedroom. Ooh. So this is the closet area. And this is the bedroom area.
this little area here is really for the condensers for the AC unit, so it's wired for AC provision.
Also, it's not a balcony.
But it is a bonus balcony. I consider it a bonus balcony because it does have the railing.
But there's a silver thing in front of it.
So it's an architectural design, but as you can see, it's aluminum, it's sturdy, nobody's breaking in, so it's like almost like a grill. So you can leave this door open the entire time for that additional airflow.
Yeah.
If you do have the AC on, you have to close it anyway. That's where the condensers are. They do have.
Is it central cooling or those in the AC units? Or they're just not in it?
Provision.
Oh, so you have to take it on.
You have to bring it in.
Okay,
So
understood.
you do have your recessed lights there. And you have
The bathroom.
your walk-in shower.
Oh, I love this.
So it's a beachfront walk-in shower.
So it doesn't, over
No.
here, it doesn't get wet?
It does not.
How
Because
does
right
it
there it's
control the
graded.
water?
It's graded.
That's cool.
It's very spacious.
I'm like showering. So this is the bathroom.
Second floor.
Okay.
So this is 1064 square feet, while this one is 1015 square feet.
And this one has a balcony view. And you can see 20 South over there. The wiring for the AC over there.
So that is the condenser room for the AC.
Okay.
Can you take the floor off the quick or okay? Right. So like I said before, the kitchen is the exact same size as the one bedroom. So the exact same
Layout.
fixings and offerings.
Got it.
So it's a 2-bedroom bathroom. So
Oh, so it's the same walk-in. I love these bathrooms. Okay.
So this will also act as your guest bathroom. And then you have the other bedroom here. So it's floor to ceiling windows. So all the windows are aluminum frame with category 5 resistant windows.
Okay. And this is, this one is bigger.
This is a master. So the master gives you a 180 view.
I like that it has a lot of windows. It's very bright.
If you do not mind light, you do not purchase in this building.
Yeah.
Because if you don't like it, this is not the building for you. So the master bathroom does come with the double sink and a bigger shower.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger. Kitchen hand sink.
Everybody.
Thank you so much for subscribing.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Yeah, so we're looking at houses now, so keep watching.
So all of this is common area for the floor.
Okay.
So you see, even though it's the first floor, it's not ground. You know what I mean?
Because there's underground parking, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
So, like for example, this apartment will look into that main tree.
You know, you just look and you feel healthy immediately, right?
If you're on this floor, you can come over here and you start to look. You look up at the pool.
Oh. You look up at the pool. Yeah. And anybody can go to the pool, right?
What's your access?
Once you have...
You can't send somebody there and get in.
No. I mean that if you're living on the first floor, you can access the pool. Okay.
But you see, all those envious people on the second floor, they can't come down here and enjoy that. So will it have entertainment areas out here? Or is it just this? Area? Yeah, like this is it? What do you mean? So will it have like stools and chairs or stuff like that? Well, that is to be provided by the staff. Got it. So it's once it's occupied, the owners will decide how they want to occupy the terrace. So on this side you get a city view. Yeah, so the come on either side. So mountain view over there, city view over here. Yeah. Got it. Look, it overlooks the city of Kingston. Oh, but there's another development happening over there. Yes. Okay. The grass field. You can't come out here barefoot now. It's soft, you feel so? Watch out over there. On the 8th floor, there's a gym. Okay. So the gym leads out, you can come onto the bridge and take these stairs to come back upstairs. On the opposite side is a private entrance for the penthouses to go onto the rooftop. Okay. So that's it. That's the end of today's video. Let me know what your thoughts are, and definitely if you're interested in getting any of these units, I'll leave some contact details in the description bar below, which is right below the video. So contact them, ask them all the questions you want, and happy house hunting. Thank you so much. Follow me at Rushelin on Instagram, and I appreciate all of you. So see you next time. Bye.